What I wish I knew about hiccups when I was a kid. They're weird, annoying, and totally beatable. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle under your lungs, gets a little too excited. It's like an uninvited party guest causing your vocal cords to slam shut. Result? That classic hic sound. But why does it happen? Could be eating too fast, feeling nervous, or even drinking fizzy drinks. Now, how do you get rid of hiccups? Try holding your breath, sipping cold water, or even biting on a lemon. Some folks swear by pulling on their tongue or getting a good scare. So the next time you get the hiccups, you've got a toolkit of tricks to try. Stay calm and hiccup on.